Windows 11. First, let's see which are the apps removed from the pre-installed apps list in Windows 11. The 3D Viewer and the 3D Paint are removed from the pre-installed apps. Skype has been also removed. OneNote is a popular app, but it has been removed. Still, you can install these apps in Microsoft Store. Let's talk apps. First on today's list. Let's get into Power Automate Desktop. So, what is a Power Automate Desktop? It is referred to as robotic process automation. If you find yourself doing any type of manual task again and again, you can automate that using this tool. Click on New Flow. Create. On the left-hand side, we have Actions. This is the variables display area. You have more than 300 actions to execute. Let me show you an example. Choose Web Automation. Drag Launch Edge to the main menu. Add Google as the entry URL. Click Save. Let's add another step. Drag and drop create a new tab. Add Skillshare in the URL. Save it. At the top, click Run. As you can see, the execution is done perfectly. In this way, you can use Power Automate to repeat your tasks very easily. Next on our list, we have Mail app. Mail app has no changes. It's simple. You can link your mail and use it as your mail app. But you have various options including Google to link your mail app. Calendar app. It is a very good app to plan and schedule your day. You can link your Microsoft account or any other third-party calendar app and use it as your primary calendar app. You can also customize it with different colors. This is the day view. You will be able to see the schedule of a particular day. This is the default weekly view. We also have a monthly view here. This is the yearly view of your calendar. To create a session, just click at any time of the day and start to schedule your day. You can change the name, emoji, location, and duration. If you want, you can drag the block from one position to another. You can change the status of the task by right-clicking it. As you can see, we have got reminder for the task before 10 minutes of the task. So, this is the calendar app. Your phone. This is an app which is very useful if you are a guy who frequently checks your phone for new notifications when using a laptop. Using this app will help you view and manage the notification of your phone directly from your computer. You can also make calls and view photos. Finally, we have an office. This is our Office app. Inside the Office, you can find Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, OneNote, and a lot more. Alright, so these are the apps I thought I could discuss with you. I will see you in the next one.